Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Welcome to the show. Today, we are so excited that you're joining us as we take a look at the best crypto and NFT tax software for 2023. Let's get right to it. All right, so over the past few years, crypto trading went from an unheard of concept to a very common investing and trading practice. The increase means that more people will have to report capital gains and losses on their trades when they file for 2022 taxes in 2023. Unfortunately, most traditional tax software companies are ill-equipped to handle the complex taxation on crypto tokens and NFTs. You'll probably need to buy some crypto tax software in a traditional tax filing tool if you're a crypto trader. Plus, if you've done anything with NFTs, you'll likely, need to do some work, along with tax software manually. So today we explain why you need both and also how to choose the best one for you. Do you need separate software to file crypto taxes? All right, so the IRS treats cryptocurrency as property. Investors can make or lose money by trading, earning interest, or even staking rewards. Each type of income has different tax implications, of course. Unlike income paid in a fiat currency, the fair market value of crypto gains, losses, and income isn't really always easy to calculate. Tax filers can calculate their value by looking up the US dollar to token exchange rate at the time of token purchase or acquisition and the value at the time of the sale. Doing this by hand for 1 to 2 transactions, that's super easy, no big deal. However, the more trades you conduct, the more likely you're going to need some software to help you. At this time, TurboTax Premier is really the only major tax software that will calculate your tax liability on crypto. However, it can only do so for transactions that occurred on a few of the major exchanges. If you don't trade on those exchanges, you must manually calculate the fair market value of your transactions. That sounds like fun. But software designed specifically for crypto trading fills in these gaps. Crypto-specific accounting software has been available since 2017, but its importance has exploded in the last few years. Today, more than half a dozen reputable companies can accurately calculate the taxes due based on your trade history. In a lot of cases, we recommend that crypto traders use tax software to calculate their tax burden. It's definitely worth it. But casual traders can even access this type of software for free. All right, so what reports do you need to file for crypto taxes? Most crypto traders only need to transfer records from IRS Form 8949 to Schedule D. This is the same schedule for reporting stock sales, so pretty simple. TurboTax has a robust support mechanism for transferring crypto trades from Form 8949 to your return. Likewise, Tax Act supports adding the form as an attachment. However, the companies reviewed today also create reports needed to complete other filing reports from non-trading transactions. These are a few other tax return sections that may apply for crypto traders and investors. Schedule 1. Investors who received gifts, including airdrops or income from forks or hobby income, are going to need to report it as other income on line 8 of Schedule 1. Every single software package we included today allow users to manually enter these transactions into the software. The information from this needs to be transferred to Schedule 1 manually. Schedule B, which is all about investors who earned interest or rewards from lending or staking. You're going to need to report your investment income on Schedule B. Outside of the crypto world, you would expect to see this information on a 1099 INT or 1099 DIV statement. However, Coinbase is issuing its information on a 1099 miscellaneous, MISC. Schedule C. Investors who mine cryptocurrency may be eligible to take deductions from their taxes. They should also report all mining activity on Schedule C. If you receive a 1099 miscellaneous associated with this activity, you can report your income using just that. However, a lot of miners are going to need to use a tool to translate their mining activity into US dollars. Unfortunately, each software has different requirements for entering and reporting this information, and despite the differences though, each software recommended supports these lesser used options in some way. All right, so here is, all that said, the best crypto and NFT tax software. Most importantly, these tools calculate capital gains and losses based on your activity. All the companies reviewed today create IRS Form 8949, which calculates capital losses. The information from this form goes on Schedule D in your tax returns. All right, these software companies also generate reports you can use to report income from interest or lending rewards, or even mining-type activities. You report investment income on Schedule B and mining income and related expenses on Schedule C. We've broken down our list into two overarching categories: Best DeFi tax support software and Best CeFi tax support software. Keep on listening to see all of our picks for the best crypto and NFT software for 2023. First up, the best DeFi tax software. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a trustless, permissionless financial ecosystem. It emphasizes smart contracts and trust in technology rather than business entities. A more significant number of NFTs are produced and exchanged using DeFi. Smart contracts allow individuals to prove ownership of a unique token or an NFT. In the eyes of the IRS, an NFT is the same as any other token. Fair market value for any NFT is determined based on ETH to USD conversion or whatever underlying blockchain supports the NFT. There are other uses for DeFi, but NFT creation and trading are just some of the most popular now. These are our favorites. The best overall? TaxBit. TaxBit is the only company that supports DeFi taxes for free. Love it. As long as a user can connect to a supported exchange, the TaxBit engine will report on the current value of your NFT collection and generate free tax reports based on your transaction history. TaxBit dropped its paid consumer products last year, so you'll only have access to self-service features. All right, our best full service? Token Tax. Token Tax is a full-service crypto tax software company, and the company specializes in DeFi and other extraordinary crypto problems. Extraordinary in air quotes there. For example, it helps with forensic accounting based on defunct exchanges. While costly, it's really the top option for NFT investors and those with DeFi transactions. Token Tax. Okay, now we move on to our best value, which is ZenLedger. ZenLedger offers DeFi support on its $149 premium tier. ZenLedger has preferred integrations with TurboTax, making it a cost-effective and also high-quality option for DeFi crypto traders. The low cost for low-volume traders? Coinly. Coinly is a little bit more expensive than ZenLedger, but it supports DeFi at every level, including the $49 newbie tier. The company also supports taxes for algorithmic traders with more than 500,000 transactions annually. The best CeFi tax support software category. All right, so most crypto traders are actually using centralized finance, or CeFi, for all of their investment activities. So traders in this camp conduct most of their trades through exchanges where a company facilitates trading activities. Users here might transfer tokens off of the exchange into a hardware crypto wallet, but their primary trading activity is done in a centralized location. So at tax time, CeFi traders typically do enjoy a little bit more of a straightforward tax treatment. They can usually download their activity directly from an exchange and prove the fair market price of all of their trades. So these are some of the best options for CeFi traders. The best one for Coinbase users is, of course, we mentioned it a little bit ago, TurboTax Premier. If you only traded using Coinbase, you don't need any extra tool. Just pay for TurboTax Premier. TurboTax can connect directly to the exchange and read all of your transactions. It'll calculate the taxes due on all of the trades. No need to pay for an extra piece of software, and that is awesome. So here's the free version for low-volume traders, ZenLedger. Zen Ledgers generates Form 8949 for free for users with up to 25 transactions in a year. The product is priced competitively at every tier, so crypto traders should consider it, especially people with 1,500 to 5,000 transactions. The product supports all crypto income, including staking, rewards, and other sources of income. The best one for everyday traders? CoinLedger. CoinLedger, which used to be called CryptoTrader.tax, good move on the rebranding, guys, offers a day trader tier for filers with 100 to 1,500 transactions. So this $99 option is a great price point for many active traders who don't want to pay extra for support for thousands of transactions. DeFi support and other features are coming soon. Here's the best one for everybody else. TaxBit. Again, we're talking about TaxBit. They're awesome. TaxBit generates free IRS tax forms for filers who use one of hundreds of supported exchanges. Almost all crypto traders based in the U.S. can use TaxBit to generate IRS for $89.49 for a unified view of their crypto trades. This form can be imported directly to TurboTax Premier and used to calculate tax liability. All right, let's wrap things up for today. Just some final thoughts on the best crypto and NFT tax software. In 2023, most crypto investors do need the combination of custom crypto tax software and a typical tax return software. Something like TurboTax Premier is going to be our top tax software for crypto traders this year, but most traders will need to pair it with custom tax software. For crypto-specific software, most users should consider Zen Ledger, CoinLedger, or TaxBit. However, there may be edge cases where an alternative to these offers better functionality or even a lower cost. And that is our show for today. We hope it was helpful to you. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you want to find out more, dig a little bit deeper into all of these things we talked about today, you can find reviews and much more at thecollegeinvestor.com. Just type in best crypto and NFT tax software right in the search bar and you'll find it. You can also find us all over social media if you ever have questions, concerns, or you just want to chat. We'd love to get to know you better too. You can find us, just search for The College Investor anywhere you are, and you'll probably see us too. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you again real soon.